Social media has caught quite the bad reputation in recent years. Too many filters, too many edits. The posts, pictures, and videos just don't seem authentic anymore. That was true until BeReal slashed the market a few months ago. Presented as an anti-Instagram, BeReal is a new social media app that promotes authenticity on social media. The concept is based on a simple promise: to discover who your friends really are in their daily life. For this, the app asks its users to publish photos of themselves within a time window of 2 minutes once a day. No filters, no programmation, no editing. Just you and your daily life. How can brands benefit from this new successful app? What should they pay attention to? In theory, the presence of brands or advertisements goes against the BeReal philosophy. However, some companies are creating accounts to try and take advantage of this new space and develop techniques for using it as a marketing tool. For example, several restaurant brands post live photos of dishes as they are being prepared when they are invited to post. That way, they can show spontaneity and transparency regarding the ingredients they use. Our advice: keep an eye on BeReal and try it out.